Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. This motorcyclist from my work doesn't think a three-way stop applies to him. What type of cops are these? Merging must be really hard here. I live in India and I can run this sub with just my dash cam. It's a miracle many of us get home at all. Me being rear-ended by a driver on their cell phone. What it looks like to your camera when a car disappears behind your A-pillar.
Yes. You're a scientist, as a doctor, a kind of scientist.
Yeah, sort of. Scientific method.
You utilize science. How do you feel? Forensic science. Stuff like fingerprinting, DNA analysis, that kind of.
Oblivious driver trying to turn left from the oncoming traffic lane.
Right.
His life flashed in front of his eyes. Always remember, if you are in an accident and there are no injuries, move to the shoulder. This could have been worse. We thought for sure we were going to see this guy get hit. This driver conveniently gets pulled over after almost hitting a cop. This driver decided to use my truck as target practice. Just another day in West Texas. Please tell me where this is so I can avoid it. This isn't NASCAR, my guy. This driver got a bit confused by the lane markings.
"20 minutes later."
I wondered why he hesitated after I slowed down for him. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.